Hello guys, how to solve error? Video files are not appearing correctly and are showing as blank icons without thumbnails, showing as blank icons without thumbnails. So to solve this problem, please subscribe in the channel and press like you don't lose anything, and share the file with other colleagues. So let's go now and check the view of the folder of this folder. Sorry. So this like this one, this folder, I need to select some videos to montage them and make remixing video or long video and montage all videos in just one video. So how to solve this? I cannot select which videos I need. So let's open view, and in view this folder, view, and then options, and then change folder and search options, and in view select always show icons never thumbnails on. So and apply. The default is this one is not showing. Maybe there is some virus. Let it always show icons, never thumbnails on. So do this and apply, and then OK, and apply for all folders. Okay, then yes, then OK. If the problem is not solved like this, so you can open any file using any video viewer. So we can open with this one, media player as example. It shows it must change all the icons and show their thumbnails, so you can select the videos after that. So no change. So you can download some other operators or video viewers, or try another viewers like this one. Then no change also. So try the other one. So you will try all. If it's not working, so there is some code we will put in the command prompt, like this code, Control C, and then we will press CMD command for our obtain the command prompt, and press here and enter. So here maybe this one is not going well. Okay, so we will fix the problem here. Maybe this is not the correct code. Yes, because of the del is not working. The dot is copied. So open this one, put here this, Control V, and then delete this one, then copy, then here, delete, cut, then this command prompt, enter, cd slash, here. The system cannot find the bus. So also maybe this delete, I can try without delete.